welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a recipe I used to make all the time when I was on a fitness kick. Turkey Albondigas. I know what you're thinking. Sounds crazy, but trust me, this is going to be so delicious. So let's get started. So for our ingredients, this is what we're going to need. Some water, ground turkey, baby carrots, chicken broth, 2 eggs, quick oats, 1 can of tomato sauce, salt, cumin, chicken bouillon, pepper, and garlic powder. For our veggies, we're gonna need a zucchini, an onion, and some cilantro. Okay, starting off with our meatballs, we're gonna put in our egg. And we're only doing the egg whites, okay? Onion, pepper, garlic powder, lots of cilantro, cumin, salt, and our quick oats. We're gonna mix that all in with our ground turkey. We're gonna mix it until it's all combined. And then we're gonna start forming our little balls. Now, once that's all mixed, we can go ahead and start forming our little balls. No bigger than a golf ball. Just like that. Once we're done forming all our balls, we're just gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Boom! All ready and set to get boiled. Now, let's get started on the broth. Our chicken broth going right in first. Then our water. Okay. Followed by our seasonings, salt, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, cumin, our tomato sauce, and we will finally chop some onion and some cilantro. Once the onion is finely chopped, we're gonna put it right in. Now, let's chop our cilantro. Now that that's finely chopped, we're gonna pour that in. Now we're ready to set our broth to boil. As soon as that comes to a boil, we're gonna gently set our meatballs in. While we let that simmer for about 25 minutes, we're gonna chop our vegetables. So for a little hack, I use baby carrots, so I don't need to peel or be chopping anything big. I just do one little chop and boom, they're ready. Now that it's been 25 minutes, we're gonna set in our vegetables and let that cook for another 15 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Turkey Albondigas, a healthier alternative to the original recipe. I hope you try this and enjoy it.